Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Netgear AX1600 Wi-Fi range extender to factory settings. Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues or starting fresh, resetting your extender can help restore its default settings. We'll explain how to locate the reset button, use a paperclip or pin to press it, and wait for the device to reboot. After the reset, you'll be ready to set up the extender from scratch. Follow along to ensure a smooth reset process. First of all, we will discuss why it is necessary to reset the Netgear AX1600 Extender. Resetting the Netgear AX1600 Extender is often necessary when you're experiencing connectivity issues, have forgotten the admin credentials, or need to start fresh with a new network configuration. A reset restores the extender to its factory settings, clearing any faulty configurations or software glitches that might be causing performance problems. So now let's start the reset process. Firstly, find the reset button. The reset button is a small pinhole found on either the side, back, or bottom of the extender. It's designed this way to prevent accidental resets. To find it, look carefully near the ports or labels on the device. Since the reset button is recessed, you will need a small tool, like a paperclip, pin, or similar object, to press it. Straighten the paperclip so it can reach inside the pinhole. Ensure you press the button firmly and hold it down for about 10 seconds. If you release it too soon, the extender may not reset properly. After about 10 seconds of holding the reset button, the power LED light on the extender will start blinking. The blinking light indicates that the reset process has begun. The LED may first turn off, then blink, and finally stabilize as the device reboots. The reset process may take a minute or two. During this time, the extender will reboot and return to its factory settings, erasing any customized settings or configurations. This step-by-step process will ensure a proper reset. Note, once the Netgear AX1600 Extender device has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Netgear. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.